YouTube.
Today we are going to be playing a Cars mystery game.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Can you guess who the 5 mystery Disney Pixar cars are? A hint, they are from the Radiator Springs collection. Have fun and enjoy playing with us. Let's start with our first one. Who do you think it could be?
Play-Doh.
Okay, Jack, go ahead. Open it up. Did you guess right?
Play-Doh.
That's right. It's tomato. Let's take a guess. Who do you think this mystery car could be?
Duck.
You think it?
Yeah.
It's Doc? All right, well, let's see.
Make it there. Happy duck.
Okay, we have Doc Hudson. Here's the next one.
Winning.
Who do you think it could be?
Winning.
You think it's Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Let's find out. Whoa, you're so smart. Who is that?
Winning.
Lightning McQueen. Next one. Oh,
Sarge.
look at those eyes. That's a big clue. Who do you think it is?
Sarge.
Sarge? Let's find out.
Sarge.
You are right, Jack. It's Sarge. You're so good at this game. It's Sarge. This one might be really tricky.
Ooh.
Go ahead, Jack. Reveal. You at home should be guessing too. Look at those eyes. Who is that?
Ramon.
Ramon. And what color Ramon?
Red.
Red Ramon.
Middle. Duck. Wing. Sarge. Me. Ramon.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.